I have completed 5 days.
Okay.
I am having a problem of sleep apnea and snoring issue.
कि कितने साल से प्रॉब्लम झेल रहे थे आप?
More than 1 year. Even I used to have a CPAP machine.
CPAP मशीन भी यूज कर रहे थे? Okay.
But since last 2 days, my wife says that I am not snoring.
क्या बात है, big congratulations. Why do you think this is happening?
I just started last Thursday. That was my first day, and continuously I am doing. Today is my 5th day, so it's working. And even I feel more freshness for the entire day.
I'm very, very happy to hear this. Congratulations, big congratulations.